Good afternoon, I'm Fernanda Mejima, along with David Quiñones, reporting from the studio of Zoom News. The hurricane Eta touched land in Honduras. The cities of La Ceiba, Pérez Lloro, Tela have been terribly affected.
There are many people injured and others are missing. There are people on the roof of their houses asking for help.
Maria Canales is reporting now from La Ceiba.
Indeed, there are many people here asking for help. Excuse me, what is your name?
I'm Jennifer.
Okay, Jennifer, in addition to losing your material, have you lost any close relatives?
Well, I don't know where my mother is. Someone helped us out the house and I don't know where they took her.
Did you see any news where that were informed about the hurricane at the show ever?
I only saw the news from when they were talking about the hurricane, but only that.
Have you received support from any organization at this time?
No, I didn't.
I think that's all. Thank you, Jennifer.
Excuse me, miss. Who are you?
My name is Stephanie Gallo, and I am a Copeco agent.
Okay, tell us.
We have warned advance population of the affected areas to evacuate their home because Hurricane Ota will flood them. Now we are under a red alert, and we recommend that they go to the shelters and take with them their most important belongings, such as clothing, medicine, water, and lasting food. Since this storm will last approximately a week, we will support with anything boat to rescue the people who are on the roof of their houses. Remember that for Copeco, their lives are the priority.
Excuse me, what about the old people?
Since the government has not informed anything about providing help, the population with both our canoes is asked to help the elderly and children of the nearby area. Also take to one of the shelters.
You have already heard it. Please follow the instructions.
We come back after a break. When we come back, more information about the situation of the country. Thank you for continuing with us. Reporting from Tela, we have Marlon Osorio. Tell us, Marlon, how's the situation there?
As you can see, the hurricane has left a big catastrophe in Tela. Here is the young woman.
Emily Castillo.
Emily, did you receive any information before the hurricane hit?
Oh, we were asleep when the hurricane started, only knowing that it was coming, but not where.
Did you suffer material loss?
Yes, I lost my house, my clothes, everything inside my house. And my car, I lost everything. I lost everything.
Emily, is your family? Okay, did you have any family loss?
No, for luck, I didn't lose any family members. Everything is safe in the shelters.
What kind of help do you think is necessary to receive from the volunteer population and government aid?
I think will be shelter, food, clothing, and help for people who are still unable to leave their homes.
Remember always tune in for more information about the Hurricane Ota.